Welcome back. Now we've created data tables that will set properties for us, but you'll notice that we don't get the glow material on the assault rifle. And we like to be able to do that, so let's go ahead and take care of that in this video. Now recall that we've created two material functions, one for the Bellica guns and one for the SMG glow material, and we created this MSMG mat, which is a material blending the two material functions together. And we have some parameters associated with these, and we created a material instance called MSMG mat inst, and this is what we're using to set our dynamic material instance. Now we're going to need to create some materials for the AR as well. And we're going to go ahead and use this same process. So first we need to create a material function for the assault rifle. So let's create in our materials folder a new folder called AR materials. Now in AR materials, we're going to create a new material function. So let's go ahead and right click, and in materials and textures, select material function. Now we have this material function, and it's going to contain all of the nodes in the material that's used for the assault rifle. And we can see that by clicking on this weapon that uses the assault rifle and scrolling down to the materials, and we'll see that we have two elements in the materials. One is for ammunition, that's on some bullets that are in the magazine, and the other one is for the material for the assault rifle itself, and this is called MAR4. Let's go ahead and click Browse to Asset and open MAR4. You'll see that MAR4 is actually a material instance. Now MAR4 is a material instance based on a material that uses these textures, and we can click Browse to Asset, and here are these textures. So we can create a material function using these textures. So let's go ahead and go back into our folder we created called AR materials, and let's create this material function. I'm going to rename it and call it F_AR_mat, and I'm going to double click this, and we get this warning, missing function output result. That's fine. And I'm going to right click and type material attributes and use a make material attributes node and plug that in. Now I'm going to get those textures that are used here in MAR4. So I'm going to browse to this asset again and drag in at least the base color and the normal. So let's drag in the base color, put that in here, and drag this into base color. And let's get the normal map and drag that in to our FAR mat, and we'll drag this into the normal. So we have base color and normal. Now let's go ahead and save this, and we'll go back into our AR materials folder, and now we can create a new material function for the glow material. So let's right click, materials and textures, and make a new material function, and I'm going to call this F_AR_glow_material. So we have this AR glow material. Now I'm going to open this, I'm going to ignore the pop-up message, and I'm going to make material attributes and plug this in. Now I can take our FAR mat and drag this into FAR glow material. And from the result, I can break material attributes, and I can take from here the base color, plug that into base color, and the normal, plug that in to normal. And now the rest of this can be identical to the FSMG glow material. So let's go ahead and open FSMG glow material. We have it here, and we can go ahead and copy all these. So let's go ahead and copy everything up to this multiply node that goes into the emissive color. Copy that, come back into FAR glow material and paste it, and plug this into emissive color. And so now we have this FAR glow material. So now that we have a glow material that's using the normals and base color information from the AR material, we can simply create a material that uses these material functions. So back here in AR materials, let's create a new material and call this m_AR_matte. Now let's open this, and into this we'll drag our material function. So we're going to get FAR glow material. We'll drag that in, and we don't get a return node until we go to FAR glow material and save that. So make sure to save that. And let's also get our FAR matte. Let's drag that into MAR matte. And now we can blend these using a blend material attributes. So let's get blend material attributes, plug those in, and we can create a scalar constant, plug that in, and convert this to a parameter, and we're going to call this glow blend alpha, just like we did with the SMG version. And we can go into the details panel and search for attributes and click use material attributes. So we can plug this in, and now we're using these material attributes. So we can go ahead and save this. Okay, so the last thing to do is to create a material instance from this. So we're going to take our MAR matte, right click on it, and create material instance. And I'm going to call this m_AR_matte_inst for material instance. And now we have a material instance, and we can set some of the properties here. Now remember, we have the Fresnel exponent, we have Fresnel reflect fraction, and we have glow amount. We can set these values. I'm going to leave Fresnel exponent as is. I'm going to set Fresnel reflect fraction to -0.6, and I'll set glow amount to about 1.93. And for line size, I'm going to set this to 2.6 to make the lines a little bit smaller. And Fresnel color, we don't have to worry about because we're going to set this based on the data table. So go ahead and save that. So now we have a material instance for the AR. And if we want, we can just stick that in here for preview's sake. And once the shaders are done compiling, we'll have a material instance set on this assault rifle. So we've created a glow material for the assault rifle weapon. In the next video, we're going to work on setting this material instance in the onConstruction function in C++ so that we can have this automatically set for us when we change the weapon type. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.